Hello everybody, it's Holger Mueller here from Constellation Research, here to report to you about my top takeaway from UKG Aspire 2022, which happened in Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay Resort. Great location for an event like this. Great occasion, also great event because it was the first unified user conference of both the former Kronos and the former Ultimate Group, renamed, relabeled as Aspire. Always great to have in-person events now because everybody's desperate to come back and meet people, and totally work much better with our complete fabric than in these square windows here. And also interesting because for the first time those two user bases came together in one user conference, so lots of energy, over 4,000 attendees, very well organized conference. What are my 4 key takeaways? So UKG has a massive product unification and simplification roadmap ahead in the next 6 to 12 months. All of that hitting 2023 with basically 2 products coming out, an enterprise product, which is a combination of the capabilities of the former Ultimate and the former Kronos coming all together in one enterprise product as one UKG, and an SMB product at the lower end of the market, which is equally there. So interesting to go down from 3 to 2 products, the right thing to do, better R&D return. Hugo Sarrazin, the head of product, walked us through all these advantages and pros and cons, and I'm a strong believer in simplification of that, and I think UKG is going the right direction. The big news, apart from the strategic direction, is Flex, right? Flex puts UKG into what I call an enterprise application platform. That is a platform which allows companies to integrate, extend, and build also new capabilities for their software as a service, their SaaS app. It has an interesting roadmap for the next years to come with interesting capability on the AI side, other things which are super critical for enterprise to be successful. No SaaS vendor can basically go on without an EAP. I sometimes jokingly, it's the EAP is the comfort blanket. It's the pass basically to the SaaS. So you know if something is not fitting and is not working correctly, you can extend, you can build your own things. And that is super crucial actually going forward, because the best practices of the 21st century have not been fully defined and developed. So it's an era of experimentation where companies and enterprises are trying to do something different and differentiate themselves. And where is it not more important than for people and people processes to have that ability to build things? UKG also acquired a Great Place to Work app. Michael Bush was at hand, and they came up with a very nice Great Place to Work hub capability in the product. So there's a better visualization, nice reporting, better knowing of the Great Place to Work data, which is a treasure trove for people leaders to see how well they're doing compared to other ones and what is happening in the enterprise from lots of different aspects. So definitely something interesting part. Not a surprising delivery. Great Place to Work didn't have that part. UKG customers were kind of expecting that. So they put some software approach to that great data. And last but not least, we learned, or my takeaway is startups of a twist, the UKG lab. It's a give and take with the startups. It's not just the typical investment area. It's actually no investment there, but it's helping the startups to understand better things, how to use them, and also learning some entrepreneurialism from those startups. Well, coming to my overall point of view, it's great to see the combined conference, great to see enterprises coming together. From that perspective, the CEO transition from Aaron Ain to Chris Dodd is rolling well. I would say that Chris Dodd did a very good job running the whole keynote. Aaron Ain was just sitting in the audience, which was kind of cute and interesting to see. I wish he would do a little more on the social profile, but that's a different story. And there's an ambitious product unification agenda ahead in 2023, so all eyes are on that. Flex is a platform which is critical for UKG, putting them on the next level. The next 6 to 12 months are going to be really, really interesting for customers and prospects in the space as well, from unification, from a Flex perspective. That's me, Holger Mueller, with my key takeaways of UKG Aspire 2022. Thanks for watching.